Hello, advisor, and hello, everyone. Today, I would like to present my independent study business plan for MPA program. Uh, my business was Vietnamese bánh mì under the name Saigon 30S, and this is a Vietnamese heritage and model street cuisine. Uh, Bangkok is a multicultural and reliable city, home to a play Vietnamese community as well as international tourists and local residents. For recognizing this, Saigon 30S focus on authentic Vietnamese bánh mì, a familiar comfort food that evokes a sense of home for Vietnamese people abroad. So although bánh mì is available in Bangkok, many I saw and found so many brands and shop and restaurants sell bánh mì, but lack authentic flavor and do not reflect Vietnamese cultural identity. Saigon 30S were therefore established as a brand inspired by Saigon street food, delivering original taste to standardized operation for the funded by owner equity. The business benefit from a fast payback period, strong revenue growth potential, and a bright high foot traffic location. For highlighting this, its strong prospect from success and future global expansion. And for the next one, for our vision and mission, Saigon 30S aim to be more than a bánh mì kiosk, positioning itself as a trusted F&B destination in Bangkok that offer authentic, nutritious Vietnamese bánh mì while promoting Vietnamese culture to local and international customers. Its mission is to deliver high quality, standardized bánh mì that combine great taste with a compact Saigon control experience top distinctive kiosk model. The next one for the resource methodology, we use a quantitative research approach to collect objective and measure able data. Basically, we design a structured questionnaire to evaluate customer interest in Vietnamese cuisine in general and breakfast culture with bánh mì in particular. The survey response were identified to make the target market in Bangkok, including we focus on three groups. The first group is 50% Vietnamese who living in Bangkok for working, studying, or something like this, and 30% for Thai local. And group three, I will write down more two group. First group is 10% for international tourists who already tried bánh mì. And last group is 10% who never tried bánh mì and want to try this at least one. So in terms of sampling technique, the study use convenient sampling and non-repeatability method, conducted through both online and offline survey because we want to open more our target market. So that's why we want to calculate from online. Uh, in total, we calculate 400 valid question I will collect, so reflecting a relatively comprehensive diversity of Bangkok population. The data were then analyzed using descriptive statistics, including mean value and percentage, to derive key insight for building the business model. And for the next one, so, and for our business concept, Saigon 30S is a Vietnamese bánh mì brand inspired by old Saigon street food control, where Saigon represent heritage and 30S is reflected experience and identity. Design as a takeaway bánh mì kiosk, the brand emphasize authentic ingredient, standard standard design, preparation, and control experience. Located near Ashok Station, it target office worker, resident, and tourism seeking fresh and convenient meal. In addition to traditional and vegetarian bánh mì, Saigon 30S sells signature ingredient for home use, reaching extra revenue while ensuring speed, convenience, and consistent quantity. I will talk about the external environmental analysis. We will I will talk about the PESTO. From a political perspective, although Thailand political uh, environment may the F&B industry remain relatively stable. Saigon 30S stay neutral and repair contingency plan to manage potential risk. And for the economic, uh, is recovering slowly and consumers are spending more cautiously. Demand for diverse cuisine remains steady. Saigon 30S respond to promotion and effective use of digital channel. About the social, everyone know about Bangkok fast-paced lifestyle and the growing reference for healthy food and authentic control experience. So especially among Gen Z, with a strong opportunity, Saigon 30S align with these trends to authentic Vietnamese product and control storytelling. So for tech for the technologies, Bangkok mobile first behaviors and strong food delivery from online platform like Line, Shopee Food, TikTok, Grab. You can buy it directly on Facebook. So that's why we want to focus on online marketing and customer engagement. So for environment, rising concern for sustainability encourage Cycle 30S to use eco-friendly packaging and priority sustainable sourcing. For the last one is legal. Strict compliance with food safety standard, labeling and flavor regulation in essential to ensure stable and long-term operation. And for the next one, to the Vietnamese bánh mì market in Bangkok has both direct and indirect competitor. Some focus on price and speed but lack strong branding, while others emphasize premium quality with higher price and lower dine-in model. Indirect competitor offer variety and convenience, but face issue with rising consistency, our brand strength. Saigon 30S target a clear market gap by offering authentic bánh mì, adorable rice, a convenient takeaway model, and a district Saigon cultural identity. And for this, I will combine with the Vietnam Sawadee bánh mì and bánh mì Sa Bài for direct competitor, and for indirect competitor, I combine with the Vietnamese and small and Phú Mì and more. I will talk about our marketing myth. For this, the first is product. Saigon 30S offer authentic Saigon style bánh mì made from traditional received and fresh daily ingredient, complement by seasonal and limited edition item to encourage repeat budget. For and the next one is the right. The brand is positioned a high quality, accessible, with slightly premium pricing supported by value, comfort, and loyalty program. And for our for play, Saigon 30S open in the high foot traffic uh, Asok area with a fast takeaway model. uh, while leveraging food delivery platform to extend market reach. And for promotion, our brand emphasize Saigon control, storytelling, and adopt a digital first approach to Instagram, TikTok, Line, and supported by time-based promotion and loyalty program. And for the people, Saigon 30S combine Vietnamese chef with well-trained local staff to deliver friendly service and control authentic service from Vietnam. And for the process, digital POS system and clean operation ensure speed, consistency, and efficient reorder and delivery. And the last one is physical evidence. Sorry. Uh, reflect it. This is reflected in non-strategic Saigon inspired design, eco-friendly packaging, and consistent brand visual across all customer touch point. And and next one. So next, I will briefly introduce the layout and operating process of Saigon 30S. Customers are greeted and guided at the reception, would also handle fast ordering during peak hour. For payment and loyalty point are processed at the order counter. Customer then move to the open kitchen to watch the bánh mì preparation before receiving their order. The kitchen is directly connected with the storage area to ensure efficiency and food safety. And finally, customer may check it at the decoration area. Our purchase Vietnamese dumb souvenir. And for organization chapter of our business, we have found it also a managing director, and below this we have marketing manager, operation manager, finance and administration. And below marketing manager, I have marketing assistant, and for operation manager, below this we have kitchen and bánh mì team who prepare and serve the bánh mì for guests and customer service staff. They will serve the order and wait and doing something at the waiting area. And for the cleaning staff, they will respond the cleaning the kitchen after one day. And for marketing manager, they have the response for uh, build a campaign or build a promotion for the brand. Then they have the directly report for founder, and operation manager also directly report for manager. And we have finance and administration. They will follow and calculate the the capital for our brand. Regarding our financial outlook, the total initial investment of the project is 3 million Thai baht, fully financed by owner equity. With no debt, our external funding, this help reduce financial risk and provide operation flexibility. And estimate payback period is 0.53 years, indicating rapid capital recovery and relatively low investment risk. For the first year, revenue is projected to reach 5.6 million Thai baht, with an average annual growth rate of approximately 10% in subsequent year. So, and target net profit margin is around 50% from the second year onward, demonstrating strong operation, effective and cost control. And finalize as the business does not use financial leverage. Weighted average cost of capital is determined solely by the cost of equity at 8.67%, which align with the self-finance model and sustainable development orientation of Saigon 30S. And thank you for your attention.